first channel. Today I'm going to show you the one I made fidget toys and squishies. Also squishies made from cotton and squishies made from balloons. Here they are. And I got a puppet. Another puppet and it is broken. This is a dimple. Simple dimple. Got pillows. And this, look.
Wow.
And I got this like a squishy thing. But compared to this is the newest.
Very nice.
Squish it.
My name is Nikki Mackenzie. I work for the hospital. I don't let
Yeah, inside is cotton, like that. It said, Mom, I heart you. And then it says, Mom, I am sad.
Oh, I love you.
And this, I add that up because it's like for scary things.
Then
And where's the next? Oh, yes, yes. A human, and then it's a dimple. Turns into a cat. Meow. Meow. Oh, another one. A happy. This is a laptop and it turns into a bed. I mean, it turns into a bed. And it's broken. And I got the wet phone tree. And there's more. Come. This one. But
wow.
it's broken.
Oh. I'll go.
Here's the collection.
That's a lot.
Oh, it smells good. It actually smells like strawberry. Pupus lang.
Okay, bye.
Wait. Is there more? Oh, this. This.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching for first channel. Bye.